Appreciate him and Kush. Very interesting. You don't know how you know it's a fun for me. It's a nice weekend. Doing so well for me. Somebody Andu, that you know then Murage, you are just a miracle worker. I have never met Churchill for the last about 7-8 years there. When he was capitalizing for the decades. That's when I met him. KJ is a close friend of mine, but I sometimes see you write about Bishop JJ, and sometimes you say, a Kenyan pastor who know about what I could not tell. Do you remember that? About notorious people. I love the part. They said, Murage, influencers. Now, I don't know online media. We are not going to get now. One of you. Then I go to here, on my event, my engine. On a Mogaina, Carolina, home by force. To put another friend of us, now, give me an event, several hours, nothing. But Murage, another meeting, another meeting. All of us are spared out of it. Which are Murage on a very okay number. Guana, I got a name of Fisher, Ahujiaku, Bakanda, Auii, customer, Shiaku. All I reckon the post I get into Mukaku, Igongonaini, they did not know how, including my friend here, Karagon. When again and the rest, I am to meet him. What we cure. What we can get to our cake. I don't want to kiss them only going to that is terrible. What I would love to say is, Murage, they use it to a hand and ya, what you want to come here, make a cake material. Until the day, they are powder, they are powder, they are going to put a day, this is very hard. Oh, when the baby is to where I will make you quite dated. After all my Murage mainly, it was a native woman. But someone said that I said, I will say that you are all blood to see them. Oh, well, Murage make it the way to work out from the night. No, no, to the train of Frata, come to much more than that. The regular, one of the people in my mind, you are tugetire tonya biashara ingĩ wajane kelele ndoto gakweko gayo wako tengire mkanti ukigari to bi Mount Kenya na kurugoko no yo kutengia ku Nairobi na kula kuke kuote okule tulikaraga tokyo soka kulikira kwa mshoto kana kyo ndio kama kuinuka to final no tukainuka no before then Nairobi kwa makwa na maluka bero yetu Urutewena, in a Macamay, almost percent that way, you have a long way to go. Be ready to face all the challenges, she competitors, she advance, she she is where the other managers, I'm a businessman. All these things expect them, challenges, we always say, new levels, new devils. While the other level, we expect new devils and new challenges. So be ready to face it, challenge, head on, keep courage. Na kaibi tu no ekutekia. Na kaibi shorane na no ekukoma nawe kia hatu no. Kaibi shorabilia na no ekukoma nawe. No chokiri kikata watu kwa kabisa bibia kaibi bibia. Ama ito tuajire kwa ya kiliji tani tuone mama kadhaa. Wewe mlandini na family kaya kwa yo family to family na no challenge. Ego amulada ado hapo wana mwigai ado katende mauso kutuwa ama ati hapo bure wa kwa sababu wana kuti mwigai jani kwa daisi na darani before arani di kwa kwa yeye na darani kwa bure please ndo kwa tuenye kwa tukage ndio kwa wale kikia ewa kwa kule pati ajira na hapo karibu nikata na kwa nikata one setback in the looking out for you. May you be strong, may you remain supported to your church, to your spiritual leaders, to your community, remain faithful, remain loyal, in giving, in tithing, remain faithful in paying salaries to your workers, respect them and encouraging them. I'm assuring you will make it. I am not speaking here today as a bishop, it's not my purpose today. I have Reverend Ben, who is doing the ordinances, not me, and I know I cannot go to what I was not invited for. I am speaking here as your friend and as a businessman. I am there. I know the challenges of business. I know there's a shortage. Setbacks. You wake up in the morning and find your manager is a manager of your neighbor here. What will you do? You want to close the business, you move on. Believe in training, believe in creating, believe in going down, 1% up into any. Now, we should have account. You know whether you are. That is what we call Oshia, according to Korea. So can you tell me at a with our carpenter? They are working our mechanic. So the white people to call mechanic. No, just so that the man carpenter. But whenever you have a calling, yes, the way I'm handling a working and the way I'm calling is a calling. So it's a good job. So the way our carpenter will make a general. So to find that it is done. So you are doing a good job. We are moving there, we are Murage, we are like the whole scholars, we are like the whole lecturers, now we are ready to leave. Tell you, carpentry, tailoring was a great profession. A teacher could ask you, what was a tailor, you need a carpenter. I don't know why today those professions I take hard. But at the end of the day, we end up in a coffee. So you are doing a good nice job to the humanity. I don't know tiga hari itu apa ada bukan aja masih ada bukan dan itu bukan pokoknya kami nak pelatih siapa nah orang kalau kita kuat nah ini ada makan mono makan kita makan nah apa yang kita makan kita kuih apa ini nak kau kaki ini dia tapi apa pun nak kau kaki ini finish of human life. So I wish you the best. I wish you all what can we give you is blessings. We are here. Orang kalau kau mulai udah terus the bishop orang you will do it in a and he will do it, and I will have the blessings for you. Meaning of the King Rahel, wish you all the best to continue working together and relating together. All the best, my brother. God bless you. Thank you. It's another bishop.
Murage kutoka. Kwa ya organization ya mikano ya history ya modern furniture Pacific. Shughuli ya Murage kwa screen ile. Kwa